Good day everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable fast charging on your Android phone. Fast charging allows your phone to charge more quickly, which is a very convenient feature. To use fast charging, you need both a compatible cable and adapter as well, and the fast charging settings enabled on your phone. So go ahead and open your settings, scroll down and go to battery. Here, find the charging settings. Scroll down. You'll get the option of charging settings and tap on it. You should now see an option for fast charging. Go ahead and enable this option by toggling this switch on. If you can't find fast charging in the previous step, tap the search icon, which is the magnifying glass in the settings app or inside the battery. Then you can type in fast charging and you can find the settings right here. Once you're on the fast charging setting page, tap on the toggle switch to turn it on. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.